Hello, my name is Wayne Baker, Director of Public Safety Integration at DJI. And this year, it's been a true honor to be named as a judge for Airwards, as I truly appreciate the level of professionalism and integrity that they have brought to their awards process. There were many wonderful entrants this year, all equally deserving of an award in their category. But it is my pleasure today to announce for the Training and Certification category this year's winner, AvTrain, for their program, Certification Through Innovation. Congratulations.
Hello to everyone at Airwards. Julie Garland here from AvTrain. It's my absolute privilege and honour to be accepting this award in the Training and Certification category on behalf of AvTrain. Our mission at AvTrain is to encourage prolific drone operations and keep the skies safe through training and certification. Our training methods are futuristic yet realistic, and we're embracing the use of flight simulation in order to make sure that we keep the skies safe for everybody. Thank you so much. Julie Garland from AvTrain.